Someone's cut. There we go. So now I'm going to use some panel wipe. Okay. And just wipe it all down. It's all sanded, as you can see. Okay, so just panel wipe it and then I can paint it. Okay, so I've wiped it all down with some panel wipe. I've got my face mask on, that's why I sound muffled. And I'm going to start using some of this rust primer right now. So let's crack on. Okay, so for some reason the nozzle clogged up on this pretty quick then. So it still feels like the same can. Maybe that's what you get for buying from Halfords, I don't know. But I have luckily found some more, but it's a different make. It's an etch primer, high covering power. I've got a couple of these laying around. So I'm going to just finish it off with that. I'm not going for the perfect finish under here, but I want it to look tidier again. So hopefully this will be enough before I put the main base coat on. And if you can guess what the main base coat is, colour, put it in the comments below and I'll tell you if you're right or wrong. So let's crack on. Right, so I've shaken it for a couple of minutes and let's see how this one holds up. Oh, that's better. Wow. That's impressive. I like the way that's going on. Okay, so the primer is all done and flashed on the back half of the car. So we're going to put some base coat down now, some colour, and if you've seen the YouTube short that I've uploaded, you'll see the colour and I hope you're impressed with it as much as I am. So basically all I'm going to do is put some more paint on and crack on. So let's go. Remember to always shake your can for a couple of minutes. I've already shaken this because I've already done a patch. But you keep shaking in between and you'll be alright. So I'm primed now, other than this side. A little bit more to do, and I've just run out of the paint, which is typical. But there's not much left to cover. I've got a little patch over this area here, and then it's just a matter of put some base coat on it. You can see behind me, it is purple. Then we can clear coat it all in one go. And then we can start putting things back together. So yeah, we are getting there. Now I'm going to order some more paint and crack on with this. Right, okay everyone, so I've got the bumper carrier on, or the crash bar. Now done with a bit of wood and a rubber mallet, just tapping it gently on each side until it lined up. So I could get the threaded bolts in. So I'm using some brand new M10 or M8 bolts. Top, washing the bottom. I'm going to use some of these nylon threaded nuts. Do the same on the other end, and I've scanned the internet for some torque settings and there ain't any. But that will let them find anyway. So I'm going to tighten them up until I can't do it anymore. Until I feel this okay. And then what I'm going to do is I want this white bit here that holds the bumper up as well. I'm going to drill out the rivets because they're rusty, and I'm going to get them out and clean up and put some fresh ones in. Start sanding back around the back here. And then what I might do is, just so I can start putting some bits back, is start clear coating like the wheel arches and stuff like that, because all this is going to be covered anyway, with the fuel tank, subframe, stuff like that. And then I'm going to crack on as well with the fuel lines. So let me get this all in place and then we'll crack on with, I might do the fuel lines because I need to order some more paint, but let's get this in place. Okay, let's get these rivets out. Okay, so I end up having to tap it through. What I might do is see if I've got a drill bit for this next one, so I can just drill straight in the middle of it here. So when I put it back, I might add another rivet here. So I've got one here, one in the middle, and one at the end here. So it's a bit more secure. Let's see if I can find a drill bit for this. Okay, I've got that rivet out, and I've got the board, this section off here, down there. It was a pain to get out, but I've done it, and I've started to remove the seal here, and I've started like grinding back here. Got this bit to do. I'm going to sand all this back, treat all along here. and then it's pretty good under here. Look, I just check there, see what the condition is underneath, but it's looking okay. So yeah, I'm going to continue just sanding this back. The angle grinder attachment, I'm going to have to get some new ones of them. Just cut back here, you can see around here. And what I might do is when I put this back on, I might drill another hole here and put another rivet in this spot in the middle here. I'm going to do something with this because the hole's obviously stretched a bit. But yeah, we're getting somewhere. We really are. Really happy with this, really. I've just got to get some more sheeting so I can cover the boot. So when I paint all around this area, I'm going to get paint all in the car. And yeah, and then I can cover this bit back up again. And now I'm just going to set the camera aside and crack on with it. Carry on.